Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get money from Playful rewards on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, look for rewards or a gift icon, tap on it. Now you will see different ways to earn money such as install and play a game, watch a short video, complete a simple task, tap on one options to start. If it's a game, install it from the App Store, open the game from the Playful rewards app, play until you finish the required task. If it's a video, watch the full video without skipping. Your progress will be tracked automatically. After completing the task, tap collect or claim. Your points or money balance will increase. When you reach the minimum amount, go to wallet or cash out, choose PayPal, gift card or another options, enter your details and confirm. And that's it. That's how you get money on PayPal rewards using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.